Hello students, welcome to the lecture series of control systems. This video is for session 3 of Unit 1. Topic taken for this session is modeling of mechanical rotational systems. This is lecture number 3 of Unit 1. CO taken for this lecture is CO1 LO 1.2, specific outcomes 1.2, 0.6 to 1.2.9, which will cover the rotational system, differential equation and transfer functions, elements. The reference, as usual, Nagarat and Gopal. Outline for the session. We will discuss about the elements in rotational system, free body diagram and torque balance equation, and problem solving example for the rotational system. Finally, I will give you one assignment problem for the previous session. The previous session is translational system. Recap of previous session. In the last lecture, we have discussed about control system design flow, mathematical modeling of mechanical system which has you know rotational and translational. In the translation is completed, that is mechanical translational system elements, mass, spring, and then dashpot D, which can also be represented by P, and the procedural steps in the modeling, which has the free body diagram, force balance equation, and the transfer function. And small one problem example was discussed in the previous session for this transfer function calculation of translational system. Coming to the rotational systems, here again we have three basic elements as like translational. Here the moment of inertia J, this is like M in translational. Mass in translational becomes moment of inertia in rotational. Spring K becomes K. There it is traverse spring, it is here it is torsional spring. And the dashpot BRD. BRD is same as that of translational. BRD. Here again the dashpot but with the rotational frictional coefficient. And we have the SI units listed here for all the three elements. The examples for rotational systems, the mechanical rotational gears and the electrical machines, generators and motors. The first element is moment of inertia. I told you it is same as that of mass in translational. The weight of the mechanical system provides the moment of inertia. It is concentrated at the center of gravity of the body and it provides the kinetic energy for the system. And so it is an energy storage element. So the representation of moment of inertia is by J, capital J. So when you apply a torque T, this moment of inertia will generate opposing torque which is called Tj of T. And we have the displacement of theta, angular displacement theta. This like x in translational. X is linear displacement. Here theta is angular displacement. Now apply the Newton's second law for rotational system in order to find Tj of T, which is given by J into d square theta by dt square. In translational system, opposing force offered by the mass will be m into d square x by dt square, same thing. Instead of m we are using j, instead of x we are using theta, instead of f we are using t. That is force becomes torque. mass become what of inertia, linear displacement it becomes angular displacement. C theta is the angular displacement of the body. The second element is spring, torsional spring. It has potential energy and it is also an energy storage element as like previous case. So if you apply T torque to the spring according to Hooke's law, it will offer opposing torque Tk of T. The Tk of T is proportional to the angular displacement. So K into theta. Tk of T equal to K into theta as like Fk of T equal to K into X. And here again the possibility of both the sides, displacement on both sides, that is theta 1 and theta 2. In that case, K into theta 1 minus theta 2. Tk of T is equal to K into theta 1 minus theta 2. Like x1 minus x2, here it is theta 1 minus theta 2. And the third one is the task part or number. It is an energy dissipating element. So the applied torque is T and it creates opposing torque which is given by Tb of T. That is proportional to the angular velocity, so it is d theta by dt. In translational dx by dt, here d theta by dt. That's the difference. Here again, it can be from both the sides. In that case, theta 1 minus theta 2. So all the three elements similar to the translational system, only thing the notations and the displacement or different. There it is force, here it is torque, there it is x, here it is theta, that is angular displacement and linear displacement, traverse displacement. That is the difference.